Hello and welcome to India Today So South. I am Prija Arvind. India Today Access My India Exit Poll 2024 results are out, and according to it, the National Democratic Alliance will come to power again with at least 361 seats and might even fulfill its Ab Ki Baar 400 Par objective. The projection for NDA is between 361 and 401 seats. On the other hand, the INDIA, the India Alliance, will not even get 200 seats, with the range of win being 131 and 166 seats for the opposition alliance. Looking at this, it seems like the Modi factor has worked well for the BJP in Kerala. Now let's look at the Kerala tally. The India Today Access My India poll predicts the BJP itself will win 2 or 3 seats in Kerala, opening its account in the state for the first time. The projected wins are Thrissur and Thiruvananthapuram. Meanwhile, there was no India alliance in Kerala, with existing alliance working as Congress-led United Democratic Front and CPIM-led Left Democratic Front. Now let's look at the seat share. The BJP, which is in alliance with the BDJS, Bharat Dharma Jana Sena, contested from 16 seats, while the BJP from 4 seats. The India Today Access My India exit poll predicts that UDF will win 17 or 18 seats, which is not much of a drop from its 18 wins from the last time. Congress will win 13 or 14 seats. 4 seats are going to be won among the Indian Union Muslim League, Revolutionary Socialist Party and KM George's Kerala Congress. The LDF, on the other hand, will not gain any grounds from the last time, as among the 3 parties of the LDF, among CPIM, which contested 15 seats, CPI, which contested 4 seats, and Kerala Congress Mani, they will win just 1. That is among those 3 parties. Now, not just Access My India, all other exit polls also have this one common prediction. The BJP will definitely win a seat in Kerala this time around. According to the ETG exit poll results, the BJP will win Thrissur. The LDF is predicted to win 4 seats in Kerala, while the UDF will win 14 or 15 seats. Similarly, C Voter predicts LDF will not get even a single seat in Kerala. The UDF will match last time and win 17 or 19 seats, while the NDA between 1 and 3 seats. According to the survey, BJP candidate Suresh Gopi will win in Thrissur. India TV CNX survey results are also in favor of UDF. UDF is likely to win 13 to 15 seats. The LDF is predicted to win 3 to 5 seats and the NDA 1 to 3 seats. Now, News 18 and PollHub exit poll results say BJP will open its account in Kerala. UDF is predicted to win 15 to 18 seats, LDF 2 to 5 seats. News 18 survey results show that NDA can win 1 to 3 seats. Now let's look at the vote share. The Access My India exit poll survey shows a jump in BJP's vote share in Kerala. BJP's vote share increased to 21% from 2019's 13%, and BDJ's vote share increased to 6% in 2024 from the 2% in 2019. Together, NDA's vote share increased by 12% to 27% in Kerala. At the same time, LDF and UDF both saw a decline in their vote share. The UDF share has come down to 41%, a decrease of 5% from the previous general election, that is 2019. LDF's vote share saw even more decline as it dropped to 29% from 38% in 2019, a decline of 7% in each area. The vote share pattern, let's look at that. If you look at the numbers, the NDA has made gains across the demography. More males and females have both voted for BJP as compared to 2019. 26% of male and 28% of female chose BJP. At the same time, UDF and LDF both lost male and female voters. UDF's male voters dropped to 43% and female voters dropped to 39%. LDF too saw a similar drop. LDF's male voters dropped to 6%, while female voters dropped by 8%. NDA gained votes among rural and urban population also in 2024. It gained 12% more rural voters and 9% more urban voters. That was UDF and LDF's loss. UDF only retained 41% of rural voters and 42% of urban voters. LDF was even lesser. Its rural voters were only 29%, while the urban voters were 30%. Even Christians and Muslims voters chose NDA over the traditional UDF and LDF. 23% of Christians and 4% of Muslims picked NDA. Even the other castes and religions, 41% of them chose the NDA. This was reflected in the UDF and LDF's vote share. UDF saw a 7% drop in Christian vote share and 5% drop in Muslim vote share. Christian vote share dropped to 26% for LDF and Muslim vote share was 33%. There was a drop of 15% vote share among other castes and religions for the LDF. Thank you for watching India Today So South. For more such stories, please subscribe to our channel.